Hello guys, this is a quick review of this Klein tool I've been using for a while. This is the 11-in-1 screwdriver and it's very easy to use. As you can see here, I have this tip for a Phillips, for example, and then I can flip. Let's say I want a different one. I just remove it from here and I just flip it, put it in place, and I'm ready to go. Then I can flip that way as well. I can remove this part here and then I flip it. There's a ball bearing here to lock it in place. Then I can flip here again. Okay, so it's basically 4 on this side, right? Then what I can do as well, I can just pull this out like this, flip it and push it back. Here we go. And again, I have the same concept here. So I have a different tool here, like a star one. Then I flip it to the other side like this. Then I can remove it here and flip it again, just like this, okay? Again, a different tool here. And flip one more time, just here. And I have a different one again. And I can also use here for nuts, you see? I have this option. And then I can use like this. So it's pretty good and pretty easy to use. And then we don't need to have a lot of tools. We just need to use this one, start flipping here, and you're ready to go, okay? So I've been using it for a while. I like it and I recommend it.